Gusto mo bang malaman kung paano kumain ng kanin pero masarap pa rin? Dr. Pinoca Premium Healthy Rice Natural Aromatic 5-Color Brown Rice na puno ng fiber, maganda para sa digestion, at parang slow-release carb ang pakiramdam. Perfect para sa balanced lifestyle. May red, black, at brown rice na bawat isa ay may sariling health benefit.
Kasi na-notice ko na parang bumabata ka, naging mas sexy, glowing.
Guys, if you're looking for a rice that's delicious and fits your healthy lifestyle, Dr. Pinoca Healthy Brown Rice po para sa inyo. Buy 5, take 5 tayo. Free shipping nationwide pa. Kasi diba nga, Dr. Pinoca's Japanese brown rice, ayan, made with whole grains, high fiber, naturally tasty, and great for everyday wellness. Ano ba yan, na? Di ba order 50 packs na to make sure na we have our stock.
Kaya tayo, sabi ni Maring Elma, para tayong warehouse ng Dr. Pinoca. Sideline ka bang negosyo na warehouse ka na yun?
Hindi nga. Kasi nga, I just want to make sure that we have a whole supply for our family kasi nga, sobrang baba ng presyo.
So, etong Dr. Pinoca healthy rice mo, yan yung kakain natin 3 times a day.
Eh, syempre kasi...
Morning, noon.
Yes! Because this has been our favorite, di ba? It has become our favorite. It fits our healthy lifestyle. Okay? So, click the link below before the promo ends. Okay?
Must try, must try.